Hi, and today I'm going to build the number block 70 to 79 Fanmade. So here are the blocks. Here's some more for 1 to 10. Here are the stickers. Here is one plain Numberblocks, which has no number on it. And we're also going to be using tape and glue to glue them together. And I made these stickers myself just by drawing them. So let's start. First, we're going to build number block 70 in a 7 by 10 rectangle. So let's connect them together. They're connecting very firmly. And you can also check the sound. Now let's put on the 6th purple 10. And now the last one. We're not using violet because we don't have enough. So we're using magenta. Now let's flip this over and put on our face. So let's get some glue. Let's get our glue for this. And put it on. And now let's put on our hair. Now let's put our tape on. And put it on top of number block 70. And now let's put on the numbering. First, let's make the numbering by taking this pen and writing 70 on it. And now let's put the numbering on. Let's move this a little bit down. And here is number block 70. 70, 70, 7 times 10. 70, 70, 35 times 2. Next, let's make number block 71 now. First, let's take off our numbering. Rub the number off. And now, let's build number block 71 in the shape we want it to be. So this is very easy to turn into a number block 71. You're just going to put this on top of this, like this. So we've also got one whole block with no numbering stud and just the top for the numbering. So let's write 71. Close the lid. Get our face, which is this one, and let's put the glue on the face. Now I'm going to show you the face, and here is the face for number block 71. So now let's put on her face. Her face is going to join up like this. And let's put on the numbering. And here is number block 71. 71. 71. 71. 71. Let's make number block 72. Now, we're going to make the original way of number block 72. Here are the blocks we'll be using. And now let's make the number block. This is also going to be very stable because we're using a stable method to build it. We're going to put all of them like this. And now take the orange and yellow. The orange first. We're going to put it on in 5 rows of 2. Take another one. Flip. Do the same thing. And build the other row, which is this part over here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn this into the shape we'll be needing for this one. And they're also in 10s, something like 70 button rectangles with a 2 on top. And this is the 8x9 rectangle formation of number block 72. So let's take our green blocks and put on our blue block. Then fold and fold. Just put them on. Next row. Sometimes if I use that way of putting the things on, not separately, it'll mostly fall apart. It could fall apart, but most of the time it would. So let's make another row of 6. Take our 2 blocks, straighten them up, and now let's start with these. And then move them to the side. So there. And now for this very big 72 face over here, we're gonna use tape. Put it on like this. Let's write number 72. Try again. 72. And let's put on the numbering. And now let's put on the face. The mouth of number block 72 is this one. Let's get glue for this one. And here is our number block 72. Now let's build number block 73. Let's put this back and get our 3 blocks we need. Take this numbering off and start making the shape. The first base is actually going to be something like this. The first base. So let's stack them up. Take these. Put them like this. And now put them like this. Now we are going to put on the other row. Which is this row. Let's put the row on. And now let's make a very long base. Now let's put on her face, which is also the flowers one. Flower themed. Yeah, flower edition. Let's put on the other blocks. Let's just combine them all at once. And here, and we need to put on the numbering for this giant number block. 73. So the numbering goes way at the top. Yes, like this. And let's stand it up. And here is our number block 73. Now we're going to build number block 75. So let's get our blocks and combine them. Next row. Yes, that really looks like number block 26. But it's not number block 26 because it's only 20 blocks and it's not even the correct shade. So let's put them on. Now let's put on number block 74's colorful blocks. And now let's put on her face. Here's the first part of her face, right at the top. Just under the first block. The face is small, so we'll use a glue. For number block 74. And now let's put on the number block 74, numbering and makeup. I am 74. And here is number block 74. And now we are going to build number block 75. We just need to take them all off. Just like this. So we're going to put them in like this. Now we're going to just put in like this basically, and like this. Now we're going to put on the last row of 10. Here's 5 and another 5, and also no 5 and another 5 is 10. Like that, yeah. So just with additional pieces over here. We also have extra caps for this number block. So we're going to put them on and connect them. And now 75's face should look like 50. So her face is very big. The face we have made will go over here. 75. No, press it on. And here's our number block 75. 75. Number block 75. Now we're going to build number block 76 by putting this on. Like this. And we're also going to put the number block 76 face on. Yeah, here. And it's right up top. Just right at the top on the top block. So we're going to put on numbering 76. Yeah. So just put on the face. And here is our finished number block 76. Now let's build number block 77 by putting them all in different directions. Like we put on here. Put one here. Put another one here. Put another one here for the 70. Yeah, that's too advanced. I don't just want to do the advanced thing right now. So Somewhere in the middle is fine. Somewhere in the middle, yeah, somewhere in the middle. So here is number block 77, which is also one of those space people in this space. Yeah, what's that space there? So that's why that helmet type. Yeah, football space. Rainbow. Yeah, rainbow, football, space. Good. Different planet. Good. Nice. So here is number block 77. Now, all we've been waiting for right now is number block 78. Yeah, I know. Number block 78. They're just too good. It's too good. Because all it is just the same thing. Because, in my opinion, it should work at Space Division. Now here is number block 78. Up, because they're doing up. And the rows are just doing up like that. And also up like this. So, not 79. Yes, that's why you call it not 79. Woo. So we're also going to put our tape onto this number block 79. Now because this is just dismantling all the time, we're going to put it here. Here is our number block 79. My baby sister is playing, and before, when I was making the video, she was sleeping. She's a big fan of number blocks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please subscribe for more videos.